Bring it back 20 meters.
Roger, 20 meters back. Keep the pressure steady.
Watch the ice shelf on the starboard side.
Look at the state of these hydraulic lines. Completely brittle.
We can't use this section for the lift points. The structural compromise is too severe.
All right, clear the area below the keel beam.
Secure the harness before the next burst.
Comms check, loud and clear.
Roger that. Tension increasing on the main line.
We're at maximum tension on the starboard side.
Acknowledged. We have significant fracturing, but the gear is still frozen.
Crane, you are clear to lower. Easy now.
Copy that. Steady descent.
Watch the starboard side, almost home.
Tension on the main slings. Steady now. Supports ready on the west side. Watch the wing box, ease it in. Okay, the trailer is clear on this side. Keep rolling. Check the TP400 mount points on engine 3.
Thermal readings look stable. The frost is heavy near the cowling.
Scaffolding secure on the starboard side, ready for pressure test.
Copy that. Proceeding with pump activation.
Look at the corrosion on this mounting point.
And the stress cracks extend all the way to the spar.
Look at the pitting here on the flap. Yeah, significant material loss. We need to mark this section.
The reading confirms the fatigue crack at the stress point.
Noted. We need to document the full extent of this corrosion before dismantling.
We have separation. Start the descent very slowly.
Roger, descending now. Keep an eye on the clearance.
Ensure the support jigs are secured to the spar before initiating the cut.
Torque is confirmed on all bolts.
Proceeding with the plasma sequence now.
Last bolt's out, ready to lift?
Yeah, grab your side.
1, 2, lift. All right, easy down now. Clear on this side, set her down gently. Okay, easy now. Keep the tension steady. Copy that, watching the ropes.
Almost clear of the housing.
Before the abrasive blasting can begin, we carefully mask all the sensitive hydraulic ports and connectors with this heavy sheeting.
Setting the torque. Give me the green light when ready.
Torque is set. Final check on the alignment.
The restoration process requires meticulous attention as we replace the corroded internal spars and fit the new fuel bladders.
We have green on the starboard alignment.
Roger, engaging hydraulic jacks, sequence 3.
A fraction left.
Copy that, left.
And easy down, looks good.
Torque setting confirmed on engine 3.
Roger that, moving to engine 4. Stand by for fuel line connection.
Secure panel 42.
Confirmed. Torque is set.
Ramp cycling sequence initiated. Lowering now.
Clear below. Movement is smooth.
Cycle complete.
Ground power stable. Check the avionics bus.
All parameters green. Looking good so far.
Ground, confirm all clear for run-up.
Clear to proceed. Running checklist now.
All 4 engines stabilized. Temperatures in the green.
Confirmed. We are ready for taxi tests.
The powerful Europrop engines hum perfectly as the Atlas soars, a testament to its successful restoration and test.